Okay, we're now looking at the next question here. You are told that the derivative of a function is cos x, and you're told that it has a y-intercept of 0, the function has a y-intercept of 0, 3. We want to find the original function, y, and then find f of pi on 2. Okay, so of course this is integration again because we want to find the primitive function. Okay, so y is going to equal to the integral of that. So that becomes the integral of cos x is sin x plus c. All right, now we know it goes, this function, the primitive function, passes through the point 0, 3. So I need to substitute x for 0, y for 3 to find c. And we know that sine 0 is 0. So therefore, 3, or c is equal to 3. So my primitive function is y equals sine x plus 3. Okay, so this is the same as my f of x. So now I need to find f of pi on 2. Okay, we know that's sine 90. Once again, draw the function if you can't remember. Sine 90, it's here, pi on 2. Amplitude of 1, because this is y equals sine x. Okay, so sine pi on 2 is 1 plus 3. So f of pi on 2 is equal to 4. And there it is. Okay, so that's not too bad. Now there's one last question here that I'm just going to quickly do on the board, which is using the reverse chain rule. I'm just going to add it to this video here. Reverse chain rule. Okay, the question is asking me to integrate sine x cos 4x dx. Okay, so this is the same as saying sine x cos x to the power of 4 dx. Okay, so the reverse of the chain rule. Okay, now if you think about what's inside the bracket, the derivative of cos x is negative sine x. I don't have a negative sine x, I have a positive sine x in here. So what should I do? I multiply by negative 1 outside and I add a negative inside there. So I multiply the sine x by negative 1 and then I also multiply the front of that by negative 1 because of course when I multiply those two together I get positive sine x, which is where I started. Okay, so now this is all good because I know that the derivative of cos x is negative sine x, which is there. So my final answer is going to be negative. Now, what do I need to do with this? Okay, remember, I add 1 and divide by the power. So add 1 to the power and divide by the power. Okay, plus c. Now let's just rewrite this and make it look a little bit nicer. So that's the same as negative 1/5. I can just add that 1 there. All right, and of course I can bring the 5 inside here. So I end up with cos 5. Okay, the 5 inside and then plus c. And there's the answer. It's the same thing so that you have an idea of where it came from. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks.